Hi, today we are going to learn number series. This is part 2 video from Abul. For all, this is useful for all competitive government exam. Let's move on to the first question. Find the next term 4608, 2304, 576, 288 and 72. How to do this question? Yes, what you understand here is first count the number of digits. Okay, 4608. In the first case there are 4 digits. 2304 4 digits. 576 3 digit. 288 3 digit number. 72 2 digit number. So what you understand here is 4 digit number, 4 digit number, 3 digit number, 3 digit number, 2 digit number. This is the first thinking should come in your mind. You got the answer? Yes, very good. Shall we check your answer? Yes. 4608 divided by 2 is 2304. 2304 divided by 4 is 576. 576 divided by 2 is 288. 288 divided by 4 is 72. 72 divided by 2 is 36. So what you understand is divided by 2 divided by 4 divided by 2 divided by 4 divided by 2. Okay, so this is being done alternatively. Shall we move on to the next question? Find the next term of the series 0.8, 1.8, 3.6, 3.6, 4.6, 9.2, 9.2, 10.2. Here two things are annoying or irritating us. That 3.6 has been repeated twice and that 9.2 has been repeated twice. Most of us, including myself, will concentrate there. But instead of that, we can do some other method. You want to try? Okay, shall I wait for some seconds? Okay, let me give the answer. Yes. What's your answer? 0.8 plus 1, that is 1.8. 1.8 times 2 is 3.6. 3.6 plus 1 is 4.6. 4.6 times 2 is 9.2. 9.2 plus 1 is 10.2. 10.2 times 2 is 20.4. So what you understand is plus 1 multiplied by 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2. The gap, okay, 0.8 to 1.8, it has, how it is incremented is plus 1. 1.8 to 3.6 is multiplication of 2. Okay, or rather what you can do is you can take a pair of 3 numbers. Just you have to take combinedly 3 numbers. Okay, first to 3, next to 3, like that. Okay, shall we go to the next question? Okay, again this question is same as the previous one. Find the next digit number. 3.2, 4.2, 4.7, 2.7, 6.2, 1.2, 7.7, minus 0.3, 9.2, minus 1.8. How to do this question? Once you observe here, what I notice here is the numbers are ending with 0.2, 0.2, 0.7, 0.7, 0.2, 0.2, 0.7, but there is a gap. Then it goes as 0.3, 0.2, 0.8. So our logic won't work out. Okay, that logic 0.2, 0.2, 0.7, 0.7. Okay, how to do this question in other way? Have you got the answer? You are simultaneously doing when I am just describing the question? Yes, very good. That's a good way. 3.2 plus 1.5 is 4.7. 4.7 plus 1.5 is 6.2. 6.2 plus 1.5 is 7.7. 7.7 plus 1.5 is 9.2. 9.2 plus 1.5 is 10.7. You may wonder I am not telling properly. Yes, what I am doing is I have taken alternate numbers. Yes, you have what you have to observe here is this question. Here you see, here from 3.2 plus 1.5 is 4.7. 4.7 plus 1.2 is 6.2. 6.2 plus 1.5 is 7.7. 7.7 plus 1.5 is 9.2. 9.2 plus 1.5 will be 10.7. Okay, hint is alternate series. Shall we go to the next question? Find the next term of the series 2, 9, 5, 49, 11, 169. This is a beautiful question. Okay, how to solve this quickly? Yes, you got the answer. Very good. So you split the number as 2, 3 times 3, 5, 7 times 7, 11, 13 times 13, then 17. It's nothing but base number is a prime number where this even places, that second digit 9 it is written as 3 square. 49 we can write as 7 square. Then 169 we can write as 13 square. That means even places are prime number square. odd places are prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. What should be the next prime number? 17. Is it odd place or even place? 2, 4, 6, 7th place, right? It should odd place, so it is 17. What would be the next number? It would be 19 square. Okay, next question. Find the next term. 2, 12, 30, 56, 90. How to do this question? Very simple. You would have come across this question in many places. Yes, what you guess is perfectly right. 2, how can I write 2? 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 6 is 30. 7 times 8 is 56. 9 times 10 is 90. 11 times 12 is 132. So my answer is 132. How can we do the question in another way? 1 square plus 1 is 1. 1 square plus 1 is 2. 3 square plus 3 is 12. Okay, 5 square plus 5 is 30. 7 square plus 7 is 56. 9 square plus 9 is 90. So what should be the next number? 11 square plus 11, that is 121 plus 11, 132. Shall we move to the next one? Find the next term of the series. 2, 6, 5, 14, 11, 26, 17, comma. The next term you have to find out. This question, it looks like the 2, 6, 5, 14, 11. Some tricky things are happening, but still very simple question. How can we do this? Just you can observe that the base numbers are again prime numbers. Just forget everything, write the prime numbers on the top. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, like that. Okay. What they have done is the even places just they have doubled or multiplied by 2. 2, the next prime number is 3. Instead of writing 3, they have doubled or multiplied by 2. Next number 5. Next 7. Instead of 7, they have written 14. That means what you can understand is even places are just doubled. That means alternately doubled. Prime numbers are alternately doubled. Shall we go to the next question? Answer is 38 because 19, the next prime number is 19. It comes under even place. Find the next term. 4.2, 7.2, 11.4, 6.1, 9.1, 15.2, 3.8, 6.8. How to do this question? It looks somehow tricky here, right? It looks if the numbers, first 3 numbers are given in ascending. After 11.4 it goes descending, then again it starts ascending, then again after 15.2 it descends. What is this? Okay, you may just think how to solve this. Yes, it's very simple. As I said earlier, just observe the first 3 terms. What are the first 3 terms? 4.2, 7.2 and 11.4. Just you add both. 4.2 plus 7.2. What is 4.2 plus 7.2? It's 11.4. Now take the next 3 terms. 6.1 plus 9.1. What is 6.1 plus 9.1? 15.2. Now take the next 3 terms. That means third term is missing, but still 3.8 plus 6.8. What is 3.8 plus 6.8? 10.6. So our answer is 10.6. Beautiful question, isn't it? Yes. Next question. Find the next term of the series. 5 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 8, 1 by 4, 5 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Okay, now this question, even though they have given in fraction, how to solve this question quickly? Just once you observe this, I will suggest you one easy way. What you can do is, sum of the bases, the denominators are given as 6, 3, 2 and all. One way to solve is make all the denominators 6. Okay, make all the denominators 6. How can you make 1 by 3 into equivalent fraction? Yes, denominator should be multiplied by 2 and numerator also should be multiplied by 2. That's one method. You will get some idea. The second method is this one. Okay, just observe the first 3 digits. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 6 is 2 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. Okay, you got the answer. So what should be the next term? It is 1 by 6. Shall we move on to the next question? Yes. Find the next term. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 9, 9, 0, 1, 1, 9. Actually, I am not reading the question. It looks like that I am just spelling some phone number. But anyhow, sometimes questions are like this. Okay, we can just think about some phone numbers also. But how to solve this? Again, the problem comes here. The number does not go ascending. The number is not in ascending number. Rather, the number is not descending. Few numbers are repeated. 9 and 9 are repeated, 1 and 1 are repeated. How to do this? You want to solve? Shall I wait for a couple of seconds? You are not getting idea. Have you solved? Very good. It's good. Yes. What you can do is the second digit 2 1 2. Just take the first 3 digits. Okay. 2 power 1. The second digit you put the power of 2. Okay. 2 power 1 equal to 2. 3 square equal to 9. 9 power 0 equal to 1. 1 power 9 equal to 1. So what you can understand is the second digit can be taken to the power of the first digit. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember to subscribe this.